Looking good matters. Looking good is important, but having a good tone of voice affects your personal and professional life just as much. Even if you talk nonsense, people might listen to you in awe if you say it with a charismatic voice. You've probably heard that communication is less about what you say and more about how you say it. That's because tone of voice and body language existed even before words did, so it's all instinctual. How does your voice affect others? Your voice might be thin and high-pitched, or you might naturally have a deep voice. In this video, we'll make your voice more attractive in either case. Your neck muscles, when you place your hand on your throat, you can feel two long muscles there. These muscles stretch from your ears down to your collarbones. Besides influencing your neck movements, they also affect your vocal cords by tensing and relaxing. Neck exercises. If the muscles here are weak, they'll be tighter and narrower, which will put pressure on your vocal cords and cause your voice to come out thin. As they strengthen, you'll feel your voice become deeper, and your intonations, you'll find them easier to control. If you'd like, I can make a video about it. Just let me know in the comments. Breathe right. Pause the video now and take a breath. If your shoulders are moving up and down as you breathe, you're doing it wrong. This style of breathing puts pressure on your upper body and, consequently, on your vocal cords. Instead, channel the air directly to the right organ. Your diaphragm doesn't move when you breathe. Your upper body stays still. Only your abdominal area expands and falls back. Plus, breathing this way has benefits like reducing stress and enhancing athletic performance. The miracle of drinking water. I've talked a lot about the benefits of water. The miracle of water. One of them is its ability to deepen your voice. You may have heard that the thickness of your vocal cords is related to their size, and that dehydration literally shrinks your vocal cords. Drinking 3-4 liters of water a day will be beneficial in every aspect, from skin health to fat burning, from stress level to deepening your voice. Speaking techniques. The downward speaking method is something you can start applying right away, and it will add instant charm to your speech. Slow down towards the end of the sentence and deepen your voice a bit. You might notice that many effective speakers do this. Breathing through a straw. Breathing through a straw will give you a more reliable and authoritative appearance. Instead of occasionally sipping your drink through a straw, blow air into the liquid to create bubbles. Thanks to the airflow in your throat, your vocal cords will relax and strengthen over time. Proper posture. Breathe through your nose, as constantly breathing through your mouth can raise and thin out your voice tone. Remember to breathe through your nose. Stand straight. When you stand with your chin up and head held high, your voice will naturally come out deeper and fuller. A rich vocabulary. Besides all these, having a rich vocabulary will be very beneficial for you. Don't hesitate to pause while speaking. In fact, if you do it at the right time, you'll be able to steer the tension effectively. Final words. We're here to support you in your life. May everything be just as you wish and want. Take care.